Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to upload Zwift right to Strava. This is a very unique tutorial, so make sure to follow me step by step. Now, when it comes to uploading activity, there is many ways to actually do it, and one of them is to actually use another application so you can connect it with Strava. Now, in our case, we have Zwift. So in this case, simply just go ahead and click on upload activity and you will find all of these different kind of applications that works with Strava and can be connected to it. There is Garmin, Apple Watch, Wear OS by Google, Samsung, Fitbit, Zip, Zwift, Wahoo, Bluocean, Polar, Sun, Unto, Trainer Road, Hammerhead, Brighton, and more devices. In our case, we would like to go with Zwift, so simply click on get started, and these are the list of requirements or the steps that you need to follow in order to do it. First, set up the automatic synchronization. Log into your account on Zwift, click on your profile picture in your profile area, go to settings, connections, and connect to Strava. Fourth, follow the prompt in the pop-up to authorize Strava. Then you can disconnect your account from this Zwift page or revoke access from Zwift in your Strava settings. Then, uploading your Zwift activities manually can be done, of course, since I have shown you that in another video. You can go back and see it, but it can be done through this area, which is in this place. Go ahead and add it manually. But here it is, the article that explains to you how you can do it also. But you don't really have to go through it because it's pretty much nonsense. This is all you need about to care about, because this will help you a lot. It's gonna be made automatic in case you missed a day or the data didn't fully move, then you can use the manual upload, which will help you to recover a couple of data. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thank you guys a lot for watching. See you guys in the next video.